everyone. Thank you for all coming this lovely afternoon. Now, I think I speak for everyone here when I say that each and every person is unique. Now, one person in this world is exactly like the other. We all have different personalities, different lives, different things that make us special. And one of those things is we have different things that make us happy. But what makes you happy? When did you discover that that makes you happy? Well, for me, it was when I was 10. I was lost in thought one day, trying to think of things that make me happy. Well, I liked running. I liked drawing. Something was missing. I liked plants. Now, my grandma is a pro when it comes to gardening. The rest of my family, not so much. I wanted to grow a garden, but people don't really take kids that seriously. But I was serious though. I love plants. And when you love something, you let it grow. With the help from my stepdad, I got my very own spot to grow whatever I wanted. There's just one problem though. Any seed I planted, inside or out, would not grow. Well, nowadays, when I'm interested in something, I do a ton of research. And if I would have just, looked it up back then, I probably would have came across a website like Free Range Life that says all the seed requirements. Like that seeds need to reach a certain temperature or else they won't grow. They need to be planted the right depth, right amount of water, right time, right everything. And even when you do everything right, sometimes it just still doesn't grow. Everything is against you. The weather, bugs, squirrels, cats, your own chickens. Gardening is a challenge with such little reward. Why do I do it? Because I love it. When you love something, let it grow. All the challenges I face make me who I am, and the reward is always a little sweeter when you work hard for it. I've got to see my flowers make the bees happy. I got to make salsa out of my onions, cilantro, and jalapeno, and got to make pizza out of my basil. And last year, where I placed the hose and it always drips right there, grass came up. I know you're thinking, big deal, grass, that's not that great. Well, it was great to me because National Audubon Society Guide to Field Southwestern States claims that common grass types that grow here is wall barley, foxtail, and squirreltail. Now, I consider all of those weeds, especially since some of them turn into stickers. But this grass was not like that. It was lush and soft, like the kind you'd find at the park. Now I'd march out there with my little scissors and clip it like my little lawn. Now, towards the end of the season, I let it go into seed, so fingers crossed, hopefully it'll come back next year. Now, one of the best parts about my garden that I love the most is my century plant. My great-grandpa gave it to me when I first started my garden. Now, according to Wikipedia, century plants live 10 to 30 years and die after blooming. Well, despite everything my garden's been through, my century plant still stands there nice and strong. Now it's got little babies growing right next to it. So, in conclusion, you don't have to be good at what makes you happy. You are special. What you do makes you special. So, when you love something, that makes you happiest. Let it